Welcome back to our channel. PowerPoint users need to insert a video in your presentation. Whether it's for adding additional content or reference material, I will show you how to do it smoothly. Let's get into the video. Once you are in your PowerPoint presentation, click on the slide you want to insert your video into. Suppose I'm on my slide. So click on Insert. If you hover on these icons, you can see an icon called Object. Click on it. We have to change from this Create New to Create from File. Click on Browse. Here you can search for your video that you want to add in your presentation. My one is in desktop. Once you have selected your video, click on OK. Again, click on OK. And here you can see the option for your video is added in your PowerPoint slide. Double click on it. Click Open. And voila! Your video is already added to your PowerPoint slide. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your presentations.